are in a new place.
You need help, but everyone around you is speaking English.
Maybe you are lost. Maybe you cannot find something. Maybe you do not understand what someone said.
And I know I need to ask for help, Emma, but I don't know how to start.
Leo, this is a very real problem.
Sometimes I stay silent because I feel embarrassed.
But today, we will fix that.
So I can ask for help without panic?
Yes. You will learn simple, polite English phrases for asking for help in real situations.
Good. I need English that works in real life.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will know exactly what to say when you need help in English. Today, we will use a simple help map.
A help map?
Yes. Start politely, say the problem, ask clearly, thank the person.
Start politely, say the problem, ask clearly, thank the person.
Good. This map works in many places.
Like at the airport?
Yes. At the airport, supermarket, office, school, street, or online.
That sounds useful.
The first phrase is very simple. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Use this before you ask a stranger for help.
Excuse me. Could you help me?
Perfect. That sentence is polite, clear, and useful.
Excuse me. Could you help me?
Excellent. This is your first rescue phrase. Let's practice the most important help phrase.
Okay.
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
This is polite and safe in almost every situation.
Can I say, can you help me?
Yes, you can. Could you help me, please? Sounds a little more polite.
So with strangers, could you is better.
Exactly.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Good. Now add a small problem.
Excuse me, could you help me, please? I'm looking for the train station.
Excellent. You started politely, then explained the problem.
That feels simple.
Simple English is powerful when you need help. Let's practice on the street.
Okay, I am lost.
Hi.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
Go straight, then turn left.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you so much.
Very good, Leo.
I asked for help, repeated when I didn't understand, and thanked the person.
Exactly. That is real-life English.
I like that. I don't need perfect English. I need clear English.
Yes. Clear English helps you solve the problem. Now let's learn how to say the problem.
This is important.
Use I'm looking for.
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for the bathroom.
I'm looking for the bathroom.
I'm looking for the bus stop.
I'm looking for the bus stop.
I'm looking for aisle 5.
I'm looking for aisle 5.
I'm looking for customer service.
I'm looking for customer service.
Good! I'm looking for is one of the easiest ways to ask for help.
Excuse me, I'm looking for customer service.
Perfect. Short and natural.
If this phrase is useful, save this video and practice it again later.
Now, let's use it at the supermarket.
I get lost in big supermarkets.
You need milk, but you cannot find it.
Excuse me, I'm looking for milk.
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you. Is it near the bread?
No, it's near the cheese.
Great, thank you.
Excellent. You asked, listened, and asked one follow-up question.
That makes the conversation more useful.
Yes, sometimes one question is not enough.
So I can ask a second question?
Exactly. Is it near is a useful follow-up.
Is it near the bread?
Good. Now let's learn another important phrase.
Give it to me.
I'm not sure how to.
I'm not sure how to.
Use this when you do not know how to do something.
Like using a machine?
Exactly. I'm not sure how to use this machine.
I'm not sure how to use this machine.
I'm not sure how to fill out this form.
I'm not sure how to fill out this form.
I'm not sure how to pay online.
I'm not sure how to pay online.
Now add the help question.
I'm not sure how to fill out this form. Could you help me, please?
Excellent. That sounds polite and clear. Let's practice at an office or school.
Okay.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm not sure how to fill out this form. Could you help me, please?
Of course. Start with your name and address.
Okay. Should I write my full address here?
Yes, please.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Very good.
That felt natural.
Yes, you explained the problem and asked for help.
I'm not sure how to. Sounds softer than I can't.
Exactly. It sounds calm and polite.
I'm not sure how to do this. Could you help me, please?
Perfect. Sometimes you need someone to show you something.
What should I say?
Could you show me?
Could you show me?
Could you show me how to use this?
Could you show me how to use this?
Could you show me where to click?
Could you show me where to click?
Could you show me the right way?
Could you show me the right way?
This phrase is useful for computers, phones, machines, apps, and directions.
I need this for technology.
Many people do.
Could you show me where to click?
Excellent. Simple and very useful.
If you are learning with us, repeat each phrase out loud.
Let's practice with a phone problem.
Okay. My app is not working.
What seems to be the problem?
I'm not sure how to reset my password. Could you help me?
Sure. Click Forgot Password.
Could you show me where to click?
Yes, it's under the login button.
Thank you. I see it now.
Great. You asked for help clearly.
This is useful for online problems.
Yes, and notice one thing.
What?
You did not say, I don't understand everything. You explained the exact problem.
That makes it easier for people to help me.
Exactly. Now let's learn what to say when you do not understand instructions.
This happens all the time.
Sorry, could you explain that again?
Sorry. Could you explain that again?
This is polite and useful.
Can I say repeat too?
Yes. Could you repeat that is also good.
Could you repeat that?
Use repeat when you did not hear. Use explain when you heard but did not understand.
Oh, that is helpful.
If someone speaks too fast, say, could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
If the idea is confusing, say, could you explain that again?
Could you explain that again?
Excellent. Let's practice confusing instructions.
Okay.
All right. First, open the file, then upload it. And after that, submit the form.
Sorry, could you explain that again?
Of course. Open the file first, then upload it here.
Okay, so first I open the file, then I upload it here?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you. That makes sense now.
Very good.
I repeated the instruction to check my understanding.
Yes, that is a strong speaking skill.
So I can say, so first I...
Exactly. It helps you confirm the information.
So first I open the file, then I upload it.
Now let's learn phrases for asking someone to speak more slowly.
I need this one.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Good. This is very polite.
I feel embarrassed asking that.
Many learners do, but it is normal.
So people will not be angry?
Most people will understand.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
You can also say, sorry, my English is still improving.
Sorry, my English is still improving.
Good. Then ask again.
Sorry, my English is still improving. Could you speak a little slower, please?
Excellent. That sounds polite and human. Let's practice at the airport.
Okay. Airport English is fast.
Please go to gate B12 and board at 7:15.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Gate B12, boarding starts at 7:15.
Okay, gate B12, boarding at 7:15?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you so much.
Perfect.
I asked again and checked the information.
Yes, that is very important at the airport.
Because one wrong detail can cause a problem.
Exactly. Asking for help is smart, not embarrassing.
Asking for help is smart.
Yes, remember that. Now let's learn casual help phrases.
Casual means with friends?
Yes, with friends, classmates, coworkers, or people you know.
What can I say?
Can you give me a hand?
Can you give me a hand?
This means, can you help me?
Can you give me a hand with this box?
Good. Could you help me for a second?
Could you help me for a second?
I need a little help.
I need a little help.
These are friendly and natural.
But with strangers, I should use more polite phrases.
Exactly. With strangers, say, excuse me, could you help me, please? Let's practice casual help at work.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Thanks. Could you help me for a second?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm not sure how to print this file.
No problem. Click here first.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
Very natural.
It sounds friendly, not too formal.
Exactly. Match the phrase to the situation.
Formal with strangers, casual with people I know.
Perfect.
If this lesson is helping you, like the video so you can practice again later.
And stay with us because next we will practice urgent help phrases. Sometimes you need urgent help.
Like if something is wrong?
Yes. In urgent situations, be direct.
What should I say?
I need help.
I need help.
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
I can't find my friend.
I can't find my friend.
These sentences are short because urgent situations need clear English.
No long explanation. Just the problem.
Exactly. Let's practice calmly.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I need help. I'm lost and my phone is dead.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to get to the train station.
It's 2 blocks away. I can show you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Good. That was clear and calm.
I gave the problem and the goal.
Exactly. Problem plus goal helps people help you faster.
I'm lost and I'm trying to get to the train station.
Excellent. Now, repeat the most useful help phrases.
Let's practice.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Excuse me. Could you help me, please?
I'm looking for the bathroom.
I'm looking for the bathroom.
I'm not sure how to do this.
I'm not sure how to do this.
Could you show me?
Could you show me?
Could you explain that again?
Could you explain that again?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Excellent. These phrases can help you in many real situations.
I can ask for help more clearly now.
Now let's do a full help conversation.
Okay, I will use the help map.
Hi, are you okay?
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the bus stop, but I'm not sure where it is.
Go straight and turn right at the corner.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Go straight and turn right at the corner.
Okay, go straight and turn right at the corner.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you so much. That helps a lot.
Excellent. You used the full map.
Start politely, say the problem, ask clearly, and thank the person.
Let's review what you learned today.
I'm ready.
When you need help from a stranger, say, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
Excuse me. Could you help me, please?
When you need to find something, say, "I'm looking for."
I'm looking for customer service.
When you do not know how to do something, say, "I'm not sure how to."
I'm not sure how to fill out this form.
When you need a demonstration, say, "Could you show me?"
Could you show me?
When you do not understand, say, "Could you explain that again?"
Could you explain that again?
Excellent. These phrases make asking for help much easier. Asking for help in English does not mean your English is bad.
It means I know how to communicate.
Exactly. Good communication means asking clearly when you need support.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Good.
I'm not sure how to do this.
Nice.
Could you explain that again?
Perfect.
Now, practice in the comments.
Write one sentence asking for help. You can start with, "Excuse me, could you help me?" "Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the bus stop." If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Remember, asking for help is not embarrassing.
Use a simple phrase, stay calm, and keep the conversation going.